The Wonderful Flower of 7 Colors. Jenny walked home carrying a bagel. Suddenly, a puppy came out, and it quietly followed Jenny to eat the bagel.
Why is the bagel getting lighter?
She looked back and found that the bagel was being eaten by a puppy.
Hey, why are you eating my food?
Jenny chased the puppy anxiously, trying to teach it a lesson. She kept chasing and could not catch up with the puppy and got lost. Oh, little one, why are you crying? Jenny told the old woman all about the bagel being eaten by the puppy. Don't cry, child. Look, this is a flower with 7 colors. It can help you. Now, I'll give this flower to you. Jenny looked at the flower of 7 colors. It had 7 petals of different colors: yellow, red, blue, green, orange, purple, and cyan. If you want a bagel, you can tear off a petal and throw it out. Say, fly, fly, I want a bagel. And then there will be a bagel for you. Jenny took the flower of 7 colors and thanked the old woman. She wanted to go home, but she didn't know which way to go. She tore off a yellow petal and threw it into the air.
Fly, fly! I want to bring bagels home!
Jenny handed the bagels to her mother. She went into the bedroom and wanted to arrange the flower of 7 colors in a beautiful vase. But accidentally, the vase fell to the floor and broke. Jenny, what did you break?
Nothing.
Jenny quickly tore off a red petal and threw it into the air.
Fly, fly! Recover the vase!
Before she finished, the fragments on the floor were put together. Jenny went to the yard to play. She saw some boys in the yard playing a game called Journey the North Pole.
Seems that the North Pole is very interesting. I want to go to the North Pole.
Jenny tore off a blue petal.
Fly, fly! I want to go to the North Pole.
Before she finished, a strong wind came. She was blown to the North Pole. Jenny was wearing summer clothes, so the ice-cold North Pole was too cold for her to stay.
Mom, it's so cold. Mom, come here.
Suddenly, a group of polar bears came out from behind an iceberg. Jenny was frightened as she tore off a green petal with her frozen fingers.
Fly, fly! Let me go home.
At this time, Jenny saw some little girls playing with toys, and she threw an orange petal into the air.
Fly, fly! I want to have a lot of toys.
Before she finished speaking, lots of toys came from all sides. Beautiful dolls came over in line. Big and small balls jumped and rolled, and building blocks, electronic keyboards, and robots came over as well. Various toys filled the entire yard.
Enough! No more toys.
But the toys kept coming, and they piled up all the way to the roof. Jenny quickly tore off a purple petal.
Fly, fly! Let the toys go back.
Jenny took a look at the flower of 7 colors.
I have 6 petals wasted. What should I do with the last petal? I must think it over. Should I ask for buy chocolate candies? Egg rolls? But I will get nothing after eating them. Should I ask for buy beautiful floral dresses? No, wait. Let me think again.
At this moment, a little boy using a cane to walk came over. Jenny liked this little boy very much.
Let's play hide and seek. But my foot hurts.
Jenny thought about it, and then she threw the last cyan petal into the air.
Fly, fly! Quickly, heal his foot!
Then they ran, jumped, and had a great time.